Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, January 6, 2021. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened the week before we went on winter break. Our fourth graders, all of our fourth graders came to school every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the week before winter break. Great job, fourth grade. Thank you for attending school every day. Another thing that happened is that scholars are working harder and harder to make sure they complete all of their assignments. Now remember, report card night is next Thursday. We want your parents to be super proud of all your hard work. But if you're not completing your work and not turning it in, then your parents are going to be kind of sad when they see those report cards and see those grades. So scholars, remember, turn in your work and complete all of your work. Another thing, scholars, couple reminders for this new year. Number one, remember, when you come into class, your cameras have to be on. Your cameras have to be on. Also, scholars, remember, you need to blur out your background or sit like Miss Weiner where there's just a wall behind you so that scholars and teachers don't need to know what's going on in your house. That's your business, not ours, okay? Also, last but not least, please don't use the chat box for anything but to chat to your teacher if you need help or if you have a question or if they ask you to chat in the chat box about something that's happening in class or the great things that you're doing at home. Again, every day is a great day to learn, so have a great day today. We'll see you tomorrow.